How to register account on JetBlue. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can register your account on JetBlue or just simply create a new account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to register an account on JetBlue, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open the JetBlue application here. Once you launch the JetBlue app, you're going to see this type of interface where if you have not yet created an account, just tap the more option over here and then you'll see all these sorts of option. You'll find the sign in button from the top left hand side, so tap on sign in. Now if you have already created an account, you can just sign into your account, but if not, then you can tap on the join now button that you see over here. Once you tap the join now button, all you need to do is simply make sure to actually enter the title, which is optional, but after that you have to make sure to enter your first name, the middle name is optional, and then make sure to simply enter your last name as well. Once you've done that, you can choose to enter your suffix, or you can simply choose to enter your date of birth as well as your gender. So you can also go ahead and then make sure to actually enter your date of birth correctly. So let me also go ahead and do that. Once you've set up your date of birth, just tap on the OK button. It will ask you to simply enter an email address. So make sure to enter your email address here, and also make sure to simply enter your phone number as well. So go ahead and enter your phone number. Make sure to enter your phone number type, and then you have to simply make sure to enter your address line. Once you enter the address line, make sure to enter the address line too. Your country should also be set, so if you want, you can just go ahead and select your country over here. Let me also go ahead and then do that respectively as well. Once I selected my country, scroll down and then select your city. So just go ahead and select your city here. Once you've done that, also make sure to simply select your state as well as your zip and the postal code. If you don't know your postal code, you can simply search for them in the Google. Once you've done that, you can enter your home airport, which is optional, as well as a favorite airport, where it's also optional. All you have to do is just tap on the join TrueBlue or the JetBlue option, which is at the bottom of the screen, and your JetBlue account will be successfully created. That is it for today's video on how you can go ahead and then actually create a JetBlue account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.